Hey, it's Joseph here. So I got a tiny love spin ball made in China. I think it's from Amazon Prime, so I don't know. So it have a rattle. It will turn a smiley face. It will be orange and yellow. Now it will roll around. So I think baby development is beautiful motor skills. I love this toy. I love this toy, so I don't know. So I like this toy. So I like he want this toy for Christmas. So I don't know. He's really awesome. I think he's really awesome toy. It will roll, roll, and roll. Cute. Shaky, shaky. Cute. Okay. It will turn this way. Um, it will turn this way again. Hey, what it is? It's Tiny Love. I think it's Tiny Love. I don't know. It, the one is made in China. I don't know because it was very awesome. He wants this from Amazon Prime. I like this toy. I think it was Doja. He's really awesome. I like this toy. Okay. Yeah. I like this toy. So, did you like this toy? Yeah. Okay. I love this toy. That belongs to my last son. I mean, that will belong to my last son. I like this toy, so thank you for watching, and I hope you see you guys next time.